This is the Intrinsic Carrier Concentration Interactive Calculator, which determines carrier concentrations in semiconductor materials at various temperatures. The calculator has 5 calculation modes in the drop-down menu. Calculate intrinsic carrier concentration, calculate temperature from Ni, calculate band gap energy from Ni and T, calculate effective density of states, and calculate majority carrier concentration doped. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Intrinsic Carrier Concentration. There's also a doping type dropdown with N-type donor and P-type acceptor options. I've selected N-type. For the input fields, I'm entering temperature in Kelvin as 300 and band gap energy in electron volts as 1.12. I'm also entering NC in cubic centimeters as 2.8 E19 and NV in cubic centimeters as 1.04 E19. After clicking Calculate, the results show Ni equals 6.676 E plus 9 per cubic centimeter. This intrinsic carrier concentration represents the number of free electrons and holes in pure semiconductor material. The electron concentration and hole concentration both equal 6.676 E plus 9 per cubic centimeter, which makes sense since in intrinsic semiconductors these values are equal. The intrinsic resistivity is 5.116 E plus 5 ohm centimeters, indicating the material's resistance to current flow. This calculator is essential for semiconductor device design and analysis. Find the link in the description below.